Alright guys, so we're going to be needing moringa. In this one you can either use the moringa leaf or the moringa powder. Okay, so here I have the moringa powder. This is about 1 tablespoon. You actually do not need too much because when it's dry you're consuming much more than when it is not dry. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you two types, the moringa leaf and this is the moringa powder. The first one I'm going to be doing is the moringa powder. Okay, and then you're going to be making use of honey. Now if you're aiming to lose weight guys, put honey in your diet. It's going to help you because the body needs something sweet but not something fattening. Honey tastes really sweet, but it is not fattening at all. Okay, so that's why you need this for your fat reduction ingredients. So the next thing you're going to be needing is ginger. Now ginger is a wonderful root that works wonders on the skin and in the body. It helps to remove fat. It also helps to cleanse the colon. It works in removing stubborn and stored fats. So the first thing you're going to be needing is hot water. Okay, and you're going to take 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, then you're going to turn it into the hot water. And now you're going to stir it. You're going to turn it. So you're going to stir it and make sure that it's actually mixed. Okay, so you have to be patient to stir this. Alright, so while we keep it for it to properly mix, we are going to be preparing the ginger. So I'm going to be taking out the branches. Now we're going to chop it in pieces. Alright, so the ginger is properly blended and now I'm gonna be sieving it. Okay, or rather, instead of sieving just one particular ingredient, why not just sieve all of it together? So I'm going to be sieving all of them together. Turning that into the cup, and then we'll mix. Okay, this is actually going to enable the moringa powder mix very well. And now 1 tablespoon of honey. So 1 tablespoon of honey each time you want to take this is going to make this tea worthwhile. It's going to make it taste really nice, but yet it's just going to work really fine. And now I would have to sieve it out. Okay, alright, so now I'm gonna be turning in the juice back into the cup, and still would have to sieve it. Okay, so here it is. Now for me, I would prefer to take the fresh moringa leaf, but nonetheless this one works also. Okay, it works really fine. So what you do is to take this every morning. It's going to help you to cut down your belly fat really fine. Okay, so take this once every morning. There is nothing in it that that's going to affect your system. Everything in it is perfect. Take it every morning for the space of 2-3 weeks, and let me know how your belly fat has improved. If you can get the fresh moringa leaf, it's going to be quite